This is Jicama. What is it? I have no idea, but we're going to find out together for a quick protein-filled snack from today's recipe. Okay, turkey deli slices. We're going to put some hummus just right into each one. And then give that a bit of a spread. And then we're going to take our Jicama with 2 sticks, put that in each, and then we're just going to make a fun little roll up out of each of these. And there you go, 128 calories, 14 grams of protein per roll up. Delicious and hard to beat those stats.